Companies are being overwhelmed by data. Suddenly, they have all sorts of information about their customers, their employees, about financial markets. But what are you going to do with that? How do you harvest that data, put it to work for your company so that you make better decisions? There are a lot of executives out there who know they have this data. They have some analytical ability, but they're not experts on it. And we want to help them think about the processes, the procedures, and the tools out there. How do I get the right information and put it to use in a way that's going to be valuable, it's going to be actionable, it's going to make the company work better?
I wanted to learn more about big data, how to make decisions with help of big data.
This program provides you with deep insights on how you can use big data at the heart of your business strategies to make better management decisions on many fronts.
The role of the executive has never been more important. As we fill up the ranks of firms and engineering staffs with people who are really amazing at writing great computer code and making predictions, at using the data, it becomes ever more important to have powerful leaders in the room who can ask, are we really even trying to predict the right thing? Are we going after the right metric?
The ideal participant for big data strategic decisions analysis to action is a senior manager. They want to know, how do I interface with my data scientist, my market analyst? How do I take the data and how do I make my company run better?
As opposed to being down in the details, we have an amazing team that does that. But as a leader, I really wanted to understand how can that aid with my decision making.
If those executives can complement those skills they already have with knowledge of what big data can do for that business, that's an opportunity for those people to take their careers and their businesses to the next level. Throughout the week, you will spend time working on a team to try to solve an actual problem using real data.
The real data challenge it's very intense. There's a lot of interaction.
We had very interesting guest speakers.
People who actually employ these big data techniques in their companies.
How they evolved with time, how they use the big data to improve their product offering.
This is where innovation happens, and that is special here, and that's something you feel.
It's really the seasoned manager who can provide balance to the automation and the algorithms, and also can see the big picture in terms of what's the purpose of this company? Where are we going? What do we stand for? What are our values?
Data is ruling, so we really need to understand what that means and what that looks like and how it can potentially impact our businesses.
I think this program will give me a competitive advantage in the way I can approach people about big data problems now. I have more confidence.
The right knowledge to make some business better is always a competitive advantage.
The opportunity to go back and affect change in my organization, being among thought leaders who are experts in their field, strong leaders in their field, to hear what's happening in their worlds, in their businesses, and how can I maybe leverage some of that?
This is something that's once in a lifetime experience. You get to be on campus, meet with people who are incredibly impressive, incredibly knowledgeable.
Do it. Do it. You really can't afford not to.